instructions. Nah, we're just gonna send it. This won't fit on the plunger base, so thumbs down, Makita. You gotta buy a separate attachment fence for the. It went through there like butter. That's what these plunge routers will do. Here's my review of the model RT0701CX7. I bought this on Amazon. It's a Makita 1.25 horsepower compact router. I've read really good reviews about this router, but this kit actually came with the plunge and the fence. I think the fence comes with that router. I've actually never used a router before in my life, so this is going to be my first impressions, and I'm going to be using it here in just a minute for the first time. Yeah, for bits, I bought this off of Amazon also. 15-piece tungsten carbide router bits, Hilltex. Ta-da! Yeah. And it comes with a little Allen wrench in there. This is the bit that I'm going to be using. A 1/2-inch flush trim bit. Right here with a little bearing on it. This is like 15-20 bucks, I think, if I remember right. This was $140 with both pieces. Normally this is $100 by itself. This is like $70 or $80 by itself. Together it was $140. They had a $20 off promotion on Amazon for a while. So it was 120 bucks, and I had a $100 gift card, so it only cost me a total of $20. And I spent another $20 on that, so it was like $40 altogether, $40, $50, something like that. Not bad, not bad. I use this extra little Allen bit because, you know, we're just gonna send it. Why not? Got it. We got the fence. Fence feels sturdy enough. It's like steel or something, I guess. It's not aluminum, so that's heavy enough. Might actually be using this. I don't really know what it's for. We got an instruction manual here that seems to be in something that's other than English. The instructions are in for what shimmer what a Fleurus Cortadora. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, a wrench. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. That's, I'm guessing this is to tighten the bit. And we have the router just kind of halflessly thrown in here. Just kidding. It appears to be fine. Oh, we got another wrench down there. We got 2 wrenches. Woo! This thing's hefty. It's hefty, 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 hefty. Ah, that's where it goes. It's got a router here. Looks good. On, off. Ooh, let's plug it in. Why not? We are gonna send it, right? Let's try it. Got that slow start to it. Nice. That's awesome. So it works. That's good. Let's keep going, shall we? Woo! Plunge base. Well, it likes to hide. Yes. All right. I didn't want to spend $100 just on the router, and then if I needed to plunge to go get a different one, or an extra $70 or something to get just this one piece, so it was more economical just to get them both at the same time. Because I figured at least I would do some routing, plunge routing eventually, so why not? Pictures to go by, so this is how you unlatch it. It goes up and down. This little thing spins, so for more precise measurements of the depth. Okay, we're good there. This is saying to put the bit on while it's still on here, but I don't see why we can't just take it off to put the bit on, and I'm assuming that these 2 wrenches fit onto this. That one fits well, and that one fits well. All right, perfect. Let's get our little flush trim router bit on there. Should probably loosen these up a little bit. Oh, it's already kind of loose. Okay, let's stick it in. All right, that's not too hard. And then, oh, it's got a little pain right here. I'm just gonna pull it out that much and see. Right about there. Like not all the way in, but pull it out to there. Tighten that up. Use the 2 wrenches and tighten that up. And throw this thing back on. And we have router action. Yeah. There we go. Right about a third of the way from the bottom. Alright, seems to be securely fastened. What's next? Plunge routing, a fence. Oh, it's got a fence. Fences, we're not going to need a fence today. That's what that's for. The fence is for those types. You'll be running this along the edge like this, so I don't need the fence today. That's cool. I wish I had the little attachment for the dust particles. We're going to do a test piece first, then we'll actually do the pieces that I want to do. Because if you go one way, it's spinning one way and it chips it off nicely, but if you go back the other way, it kind of runs with it, so you got to be careful going back. I guess it goes clockwise, I don't know. Work bit revolving rotation right here. So it looks like a clockwise, and so I need to run it this direction. Alright. When doing edge cutting, the workpiece surface should be on the left side of the bit in the feed direction. So if you're doing a plunge router, I mean, it doesn't matter, you're just going to plunge it down anyway. So I think it works either way, you just got to be careful going the other way. So let me put my ear protection on, my eye protection, bam. Let's get to it. Okay, so I got my glasses on, my hearing protection on, and we're gonna be doing our first trim. We're gonna trim this side first. It's clockwise and it says to go that direction. So we're gonna follow the directions today. And flush trim bit. That was pretty easy. So, see how this thing performs. Oh my goodness, that thing is smooth. What? Wow. Wow. That thing is awesome. Okay, check it out. I mean, it was like, it went through there like butter. I mean, you can see the ledge here. I just went straight in here and it is completely flush. It looks like it burned a little bit here. I don't know, I probably did some kind of setting wrong or something. But man, that thing smokes through there like nobody's business. That's what I'm talking about. Why not try out the old plunger base here? So let's see. How does this thing work? I have no idea. There's so many little. I think it has something to do with this. I should probably read something on this, so let me do that. Okay, the picture has the Makita in the front, like so, and the Makita in the front, like so. Whoa, look at there. That's how it fits. All the way down. Clamp. Alright, clamp is good. One is the adjust knob. Two is the lock lever. So on the picture, they're showing that this thing is run all the way up. Wow, that's really tight. Just gotta push it in a little bit. Boom. Look at that. Well, that made it easy. Just push it in. This is a little locking. You screw it to tighten it, it locks this thing up. But if you unscrew it and you push on it, you can. Oh, okay. I see now. Now, oh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Now we're getting somewhere. And then I think these are the three. Like you can turn these and set them at different heights for different jobs or whatever. Alright, cool. Now we're getting somewhere. Loosen the lock lever and lower the tool body until the bit just touches the flat surface. How about a 1/8 cove bit? Listen right here. 1/8 cove bit. Let's try it. A little bit more difficult to do this when it's all in the base and everything. Okay, the bit's tight. The surface. That touches the surface. Tighten the lock lever to lock the tool body. Hey, that worked. And then lower it until it. Okay, it's touching. Align the depth pointer with the 0. Okay, that's the depth cut. Align the depth cut pointer. While pressing the fast feed button, raise the stopper pole until the desired depth of cut is attained. That would be number 5, the one we discovered a minute ago. Let's go with 5, I guess, or I mean that's fine. 5, whatever. It's just a test. By turning the stopper pole nut clockwise, you can fasten the stopper pole firmly. So now we've got a gap here, and this is at 5. Start at 0 and then it's at 5. So we're good. That's the depth of the cut, which is represented here. I'm using the lowest setting here. One thing, this thing doesn't fit on the plunger base. So you put a separate fence right here. It slides in here. This won't fit on the plunger base. So thumbs down, Makita. You gotta buy a separate attachment fence for the. That sucks, but whatever. Boom! There we go. Yeah. So turn it on, lower it, and glide it. That's what we're gonna do. Let's give it a shot. Test number 1, plunge attachment. Still got it set to about 2.75, so we'll try that first. Yeah, that worked pretty well. So we got a little gouge there. All right, maybe I need to do it a little faster, but there it is. I know it looks ugly, but you know what? First shot. So I guess with time I can get better with it, you know, when I'm actually working on a piece that I care about. And I'll have to get another fence for it, dang it. Thumbs down, Makita, on the fence. Anyway, it's working fine. maybe to turn the speed up or down depending on the bits or whatever. So yeah, could do some pretty cool stuff with that, like some edges or whatever. Like if I was going to make a door or something and make, you know, patterns in the middle, kind of like this here. You know, that's in the middle and it never touches the edge. So that's what these plunge routers will do. Not bad, not bad. Thumbs up overall. Everything's working good. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Would you just look at it?